three squares in such a way that can differentiate each dot from rest of them. आपको तीन स्क्वायर इस तरीके से ड्रॉ करने हैं कि हर डॉट एक दूसरे से अलग हो जाए। अब इसमें कोई फॉर्मूला नहीं लगना, कोई केमिस्ट्री नहीं लगनी, कोई फिजिक्स नहीं लगनी, सिर्फ आउट ऑफ बॉक्स थिंकिंग है। Just make your thought process, because I will not ask you just say about the Newton formula. They will ask you the application of that Newton formula. Today onwards, each and every school, each and every college, each and every organization has to put more and more efforts towards this direction. It doesn't matter if you are not getting IIT, that's my life goes all in a vain. अगर मुझे IIT नहीं मिला तो मैं बेकार हूँ. Doesn't matter. The people of this country, those who have never been to IIT, they are millionaires. They are millionaires. Have you ever thought the company of DMart? जरा DMart कंपनी को बनाने वाले ओनर के बारे में पढ़ लेना. He was simply a BCom graduate. He was simply a BCom, and he can recruit more than 1,000 IIT engineers within their firm. Clear? तो एक बात ध्यान रखना, आप मेहनत करो, पढ़ो लिखो, IITs में नीट में एडमिशन लेने के लिए एफर्ट्स करो, but never gets demoralized that I couldn't crack IIT. What next for me? Plethora of opportunities is there. Plethora of opportunities is there. What you have to make? Only your thought process. Only your thought process. You always have a backup plan with you. That if I succeeded, okay, I will go for that. If I couldn't succeed, I am having this backup plan, and with that backup plan, I could compensate my loss. Here, that kind of thought process you are having. Why Elon Musk is putting more and more money about the space shuttle or space station? Elon Musk को क्या जरूरत है आज की तारीख में ज्यादा से ज्यादा पैसा अपने स्पेस प्रोग्राम और स्पेस शटल और स्पेस स्टेशन में खर्च करने की? Today no one is using space shuttle or space station for the prudence reason, because he knows a day will come when the Indians or the people, those who are around the world, will not have any space. That time I would be the first one, those who are giving that kind of services, and I can earn the money at my own terms and conditions. I would have the monopoly. Clear? So always look forward. आज क्या चल रहा है वो नहीं, वो सर्विसेज जो आज से 2 साल 3 साल बाद आने वाली हैं, वो प्रोसेसेस, बायजूस पढ़ रहे हो, वेदांतु पढ़ रहे हो, बहुत सारे ऑनलाइन ऐप्स हैं जो आपकी टीचिंग लर्निंग प्रोसेस को देते हैं, सर्विसेज देते हैं. क्लियर? उन्होंने वो थॉट प्रोसेस कैच किया, एंड टुडे नाउ दे आर गिविंग यू दैट सर्विसेज. सो सिमिलरली इन फ्यूचर you have to think differently. As far as about me, I am Dr. Amit Rai, Faculty of Management and Chemical Science. Apart from that, I do have expertise in data science also. And as a mentor of change, I have been connected with the Ministry of Education from last 12 or 15 years. Right now, I am holding the position of Dean, Quality Assurance and Accreditation. But my objective to approach you guys, not to give you a boring lecture, it should be an interactive session, and that session would be interactive only when you would have two-way communication. Clear? So forget about that you are talking to a professor. Simply find out or assume that you are talking to a people, those who have come to you to discuss certain idea with you. So you all are having Facebook account. Do you have? You all are having Facebook account. Forget about the faculty, those who are standing in front of you. Be honest. You are having Facebook account?
Instagram, no.
Instagram or any social media account you are having. Clear? Or if I talk about the people of India, those who are living in India, they generally spend at least 2 to 3 hours daily on Facebook. Clear? Let me speak in Hindi also, so that whatever I want to communicate you, it should be same to your mind. आप सबके पास Facebook account है और every time we used to spend 2 to 3 hours daily on Facebook. हम 2 से 3 घंटा Facebook पे कंज्यूम करते हैं. आपकी बात नहीं कर रहा. I am talking about in general. Clear? Your parents, your acquaintance, आपके घर में आपके फैमिली मेंबर नॉर्मली Facebook पे रहते हैं. आप ट्रेवल करते होंगे इधर इन योर पब्लिक ट्रांसपोर्ट सिस्टम, तो आपने एज्यूम किया होगा, आपने देखा होगा नॉर्मली 2 से 3 घंटा वो लोग फोन पे रहते हैं फेसबुक पे या अदर सोशल मीडिया साइट. क्लियर? सपोज इफ आई से यू कि गाइस आप आज स्कूल से आते वक्त you are residing somewhere in Saibabad or Vasundhara sector 6. I am residing in Nehru Nagar 3rd. So if I say you, children, you do one thing. When you come back to your school, just bring my mic with you and just deliver it to me at my residence. What you will do? For the sake of respect, आप उसको लाकर मेरे घर पे दे देंगे. कोई डाउट? जब आप यहां से, आप रहते हैं कहां है? वसुंधरा में. आप जा कहां रहे हैं? अपोजिट डायरेक्शन में. क्लियर? एंड वॉट एवर वर्क यू आर डूइंग फॉर द सेक ऑफ रिस्पेक्ट ऑफ माइंड, बट यू आर गेटिंग नथिंग इन टर्म्स ऑफ रिटर्न. वॉट यू हैव इन्वेस्टेड? You invested your energy, you invested your time. Whatever mode you will use, either your public transport or private transport, it will cost certain amount of money. जब आप यहाँ से मेरे घर की तरफ आओगे तो आपकी एनर्जी कंज्यूम होगी, आपका समय कंज्यूम होगा और कुछ पैसा भी कंज्यूम होगा और आपको इसके बदले कुछ नहीं मिले. क्या होगा? A feeling of dissatisfaction will arise. एक असंतुष्टि की भावना हमारे अंदर आएगी. चलो, आपने मुझे डिलीवर कर दिया. क्लियर? नेक्स्ट डे अगेन आई केम टू योर इंस्टीट्यूट एंड आई गिवन यू द सेम इंस्ट्रक्शन कि आप जब आना तो ये सामान मेरे पास लेते आना. चलो, आज भी आपने मेरी बात का मान रखा और आप मेरे यहाँ पर सामान लेके आ गए. बट आई रिपीट टू डू सेम थिंग. व्हाट वुड हैपन? What would happen? One day you will deny, sir, it is simply a mere wastage of time. I want to do these things because it gives me nothing in terms of return. It wasted my energy, my time, and my money. Clear? But just look the Facebook using phenomenon. If I talk about the users, those who are using the Facebook from last 5 or 6 years or last 1 year, every day they are giving 2 to 3 hours of their valuable time to the Facebook. Did Facebook give anything to the return? Did they pay you any amount? Then we all are unpaid digital labor of Facebook. Clear? Have you ever think about that concept that why we are using the Facebook when we are getting nothing in terms of return? Every day we are giving 2 to 3 hours of our previous time or precious time or auspicious time to the Facebook, but we are not getting anything in return. Clear? Why you are sitting here? Because you are engaged by me. Clear? I am giving you a lecture and somehow I am engaging you with that process. That's why you are sitting here. अगर ये रूम खाली है तो आप बैठोगे. फेसबुक पे क्या होता है? Somebody pasting or posting the contents and you keep on scrolling. What is new? What is new? Do you ever thought who is posting the content? You guys? And you engaging the people, those who are on the Facebook platform? Do Facebook put anything over the Facebook?
While I was interacting with sir in the morning in my office, he told me a beautiful project that is in the nascent stage in his institute, that are the artificial lungs. And if possible, with sir's due permission, we will take you on a visit to the incubation cell at his organization.